now we're down here and we're gonna take down these 3 elms, 1, 2 in the back and this one, and they're leaning to all kinds of directions. The one in the back leans towards the patio there where they have the goose. This one leans towards the machine over there that's broken down and can't be moved, and the closest to me leans pretty good, but not optimal. It leans towards that house and we want to aim it towards towards the owner's house. So we're gonna reduce it by taking off some limbs as a start. Man vet aldrig.
Nej.
Last push. That's that. All the 3 elms are down. We have a skidder, I think it's called. I don't know. Who's here picking up the mass. We have bucked it up into suitable length, and I'm about to, I don't know, roll down here with the truck and start loading some of the logs. We'll see how that goes. We tried to drive up on the slope here. The truck wanted to do it, but the ground was too soft. I think she roughly weighs around 20 tons. We were supposed to go on the side so we could pick those logs up and load them. But that was a no-go. So now we're waiting for that forest equipment thingy. And he can drag the logs up and we could, or maybe even load us. And I'm out of here. We got a 4.5 hour drive south to drop these off. Don't know if I'm gonna mill them or start milling today. 2 o'clock, it's gonna be 6, 7 when we get there. Tomorrow will be a day where we are going to I don't think we're gonna take her down, but it's a big log, a 170 centimeters in diameter, and that's roughly, I think that's around close to 84 inch. Or 74 inch. So that's gonna be heavy, but that we're gonna mill on the spot and then load every slab for itself. And now I can hear the forest equipment guy. I'm getting tired.
Good morning.
So I had a good night in here. I put some, I don't know what you call it, darkening curtains up here. And it was actually pitch black inside until I just opened it up. And yeah, it's a bit, what do you call it, foggy inside. But it's also 7 degrees outside, and it's not that nippy inside. But I just put a first layer on, slept without it, and just woke up at 6:30 and felt that it's just on the edge of being a little bit too cold. But it's mainly because I'm laying against the outer wall, which only has a thin, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, like a thin softening pad, and that's directly bolted to the steel carriage. So, yeah. Tomorrow I think I'll bring the heater. Not bring, like install it. Yes. So today I think we're going to it's roughly a 2-hour drive from here to I don't think we're gonna take it down. It's just a big log that's already down. We're gonna mill that and then load that on top of the this lorry and then bring it back here where we are right now, and we'll see what else we get done. Then tomorrow I'm gonna mill some oaks. He said it was laying around. Haven't seen any yet, but he will probably bring them out. So that's where we're at. See you soon. So we're at the site, and then they have a big one. I think it's the one in the center here.
kudus nganga ay kauda kauda asuti kauda ngana abawaside ya mama ay nganga dai wakiskina nuane kuda kudus nganga ay kauda kauda asuti kauda ngana abawaside ya mama ay nganga dai wakiskina.
So here we have her heavy piece, and his loader won't be able to lift this off, so we're gonna mill it on top of the actual trailer. Gonna set up all the stuff for it, but first he went to the store and brought us a classic räksmörgås. So we're gonna inhale it and start to mill this. Gotta get done today. Got other stuff to do tomorrow. Have some oaks there. Don't know about that ash. We'll see what we get done. Nice piece. So it's not really going accordingly to plan. It's almost 6 o'clock. We started with this log at his place at 1 o'clock. It is a decent sized log with a lot of branches and so on. One sec. With, as I said, with a lot of branches sticking out, so the grain is very crossed, which makes it a little bit harder. But it looks very nice. Den här tror jag blir riktigt fet. And that killed the spirit quite fast. I think I hit the nail. that might be the end of this day. Definitely nails. Non-wood, as we say. Covered up the air filter or the air intake because the dust came everywhere. Pretty smart out of me. I'm gonna clean up a bit before it gets pitch black, and then we're gonna go. He has a really cool I don't know what you call it, like a cabin where you could cook food. So we're gonna do some hot dogs in there, and then I think we're gonna call it for today. Continue tomorrow. Jawohl, 5 hours of, I don't know what you call it, self-destructing behavior on both parts. He tilted the log a bit wrong before. No, he was like, yeah, we can middle like this, and then he started to cut it before he removed the bark and actually saw how it looked with the like deep cracks, and in those deep cracks there was a bunch of dirt which like could give you information of decay. But I think these are some stunning elm slabs, and not to talk about the last two. And this one is also going to be a good one as soon as I get past the nails. I'll probably get back to you when I make my bed or something. Hur såg det ut?
Det var den där... Sitter nog kvar här.
Ja. So we just tilt it down. Like that. Get stuck in the driver's chair here a bit, like that. Pillow, and then we got phone chargers and stuff. I got curtains so I can put it around on the inside. My how do you call it? It's not a blanket, it's sort of, yeah. So he's just bringing the last one. We'll see. And now we're gonna do the last 2 cuts out of this log. So one of the cuts we did on the truck got a bit crooked. I don't know if it was nails or because it was a lot of nails. But we're gonna recut that one because after the crooked slab we decided to take a, I think it's around 4 or 5 inch slab. So we're gonna make that to 3 inch now as the last cut. But I'm gonna reset, just grind it off and then reset it and then let's go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it for this episode. I'm gonna drive down to I don't even gonna try to pronounce that. It's even hard in Swedish. But I'm gonna drive down to a buddy, Tommy, also YouTuber. I'll put a link down in the description. Tommy's Handcraft, I think it translates to. Tommy's Hantverk. Great guy. See you soon, Tommy.